Today on Brett's Brain, we're going to do another food industry hot take. One of the things that I'm really interested in 2020 and how it will affect startups and enterprises alike is the labor issue. It doesn't matter if you talk to a farmer, a manufacturer, a logistics company, or even retailers and restaurants. One of the things that keeps those owners and those operators up at night is labor. And labor has a couple different issues alongside of it, right? It's efficiencies. If we don't have enough people to fill the seats we need filled right now. It's keeping them safe. It's retaining them. It's a huge problem in food right now. And it's such a big problem that I'm really excited about it. And it's driving our thesis for 2020 and beyond right now. And there's a few ways that I can see entrepreneurs coming in and trying to solve these problems and build big companies. One of them we've talked about a little bit, which is robotics. I'm still really interested in robotics. And it's not that robots are going to take jobs away from people, it's that they're going to fill jobs that nobody wants or we don't have enough people to do. Robotics is a real cool opportunity for robotic startups today in the food system. The second is efficiency startups. So how do we take the labor shortage and the labor that we actually already have in these organizations and make them more efficient or automate some of their processes? That could be through training and education. It could also be through software that supports them to get more done faster. So efficiency plays. Final issue we talked about is safety. A lot of environments in the food value chain are actually really difficult places to work, and that can cause turnover, it can cause injuries. It's really hard to do. So, how do we make these work environments safer or have startups that help employees that are actively there work in a safer manner? There's a lot of other things that you can do and startups can be working on to help solve this labor problem. And it's really amazing that we have them because we need to. Without solving this labor problem, we're not going to be able to feed the 9 billion people that are going to live on this planet in the real near future. So the labor shortage is an industry take, something that I'm really interested in, and it's driving the thesis, our thesis into 2020 and beyond.